Curious Como. Hi there, Como. You're exploring a bathtub, huh? Sheesh, it's so dirty. It must have been like this for a while. Toto fell to the bottom of the tub. Are you okay, Toto? What are we going to do? Hey, friends, how can we help Toto out here? Oh dear, Gomi! Soap is very slippery, so be careful. Hey, Toto! Get a hold of Luba's hand! Toto, Luba, are you all right? Wow, the bar of soap is like a skateboard. What an amazing trick! Impressive! There's a water park inside the tub. Whoa, this looks like a lot of fun. Okay, are we all ready? Yippee! Riding on the soap made the bathtub a lot cleaner now. Good job, Como! Today we learned about soap with Como. Soap washes away the dirty parts on our body and gets rid of unwanted germs. Whenever you use soap, make sure to get your hands and feet fully wet. And rub the soap to make a lot of bubbles. These soap bubbles keep you clean. After scrubbing with the bubbles, rinse thoroughly with enough water. Soap can be extremely slippery, so be careful not to drop it or step on it with your feet. Got it, friends? Until next time, Como, stay curious. Hello there, children! We just found a really interesting animal in the forest. Do you want to go meet it? Is it a frog? It's a snake! What's that? Wow, its hand looks a lot like the claw hand of a robot. Are those its eyes? Yikes! That was weird! Didn't its eyes move all funny just now? This animal can move its eyes independently from each other. This looks like the animal's body. The skin is bumpy and feels like leather. The color, it changed. Wow, this animal can change its color any way it wants. Gomi says the animal she saw had a long body like a snake and a long tongue like a frog. No, Toto says the animal he saw had feet that looked like claw hands of a robot. Wooba's saying that the animal can move its eyes in any direction it wants. Como and Wormy are saying that the animal can change its colors any way it wants. Can there really be an animal like this? To our friends watching this, what do you think this animal is? The animal is a chameleon. Como and his friends explored a chameleon today. A chameleon has a long, sticky tongue like a frog, so it can catch faraway insects. And its toes are split in a way that it resembles a claw hand of a robot. It can also move its eyes independently in any direction, moving forwards and backwards, sideways all at once. The chameleon can also change its colors depending on the weather and its feelings. What an interesting animal the chameleon is! Until next time, everybody, stay curious. It's time for Animal Quiz! In this forest lives a truly fantastic creature. Why don't we guess what it is using some clues about it? This animal has a long tongue, like a snake. What's this? Alright, Gomi? This animal also has a hard covering on its back, like a turtle. This animal has very sharp, long claws like a bear. Ew! What's that awful smell coming from? Oh, what's this? I think it's the scent the animal left behind. Yikes! This animal stinks like a skunk. Como, what do you suppose this ball-like thing is? Como thinks this ball is something the animal plays with. Wormy thinks this animal must be a snake because of its long tongue. But Gomi thinks this animal is a turtle because it has a hard shell. Wooba thinks it's a bear because it has long, sharp claws. Toto's sure it's a skunk. He said it has a really horrible smell to it. What on earth can this animal be? What do you think this animal can possibly be? This animal is a pangolin. We got to meet a pangolin today. The pangolin is covered in tough scales from head to toe. So, when it meets a scary animal, it rolls itself up into a ball to protect itself. And it can let out a really horrible scent, just like a skunk does. The pangolin's favorite food is ants. It uses its long, sharp claws to dig through the dirt and then uses its long tongue to slurp up the ants. Today we observed a very, very peculiar pangolin. Until next time, stay curious, stay curious. Hey there, Como! Aha! We're going to play with toy trains today, aren't we? The exciting train adventure awaits! The train is running along its train tracks. Oh, there's a tunnel up ahead. Whoa, it sure is dark in here. Wow, now it's an amazing coastline. Why'd we stop? Aha! The train needs to load some cargo, huh? The cargo being loaded are delicious gummy bears. They're linking a new cargo car as well. Off we go again! The train is a whole lot longer now. Wow, what an amazing view! It's such an exciting train ride. I wonder where we're stopping next. Today we explored the train with Como. Trains consist of passenger cars, cargo cars, and the engine car. The more cars we link together, the longer trains get, meaning we can load more cargo and passengers. And trains can only move on tracks they're on. That's why there's no such thing as a traffic jam. It's also a great way to go on journeys with spectacular views. Did you guys enjoy riding together with Como? Until next time, stay curious, curious! Welcome everyone to Totos Shadow Quiz Show! The Shadow Quiz is where you look at a shadow and guess what animal it belongs to. Sounds like a lot of fun, yeah? All right, Animal Shadow Quiz, let's begin! I've seen this tail somewhere. The tuft of fur on the end of the tail means it belongs to a lion? Oh, Gomi, you were too hasty. Now, how about we look at some more clues? Wow, this animal sure has really long legs. A deer? Oh, it's not a deer either. How about we look at another clue? A horse? Are we sure about that? It's not a horse either. Toto, the quiz is too hard. All right then, the last hint. Aha! I get it now. Our friends watching, can you guess what this animal is? The answer is... a giraffe! Wow, what a truly long neck! Goodbye, dear giraffe! And now, let's get on with the second quiz. What is this? It's round in shape. A pig? I don't think it's a pig. Second clue. It's slowly crawling around. Hamster? A hippo? Aww, what animal could it be? Okay then, last hint. Ribbit, ribbit? Aha! This is a sure giveaway! Our friends watching know what animal it is, right? The answer is... a frog! We got the answer! Wow, why is the this frog so cute looking? This frog is called a desert rain frog. It's also known as the cutest frog in the world. Hey, Toto, we want to take a closer look at this frog. Wow, that's a very big desert rain frog. Today we took a closer look at a giraffe and a frog. Giraffes live in Africa. They can grow to be 4 meters tall. Its neck is so long that it can eat leaves off of tall trees. Because it's so tall, not even lions dare to attack it. Wow, that's quite something, huh? The desert frog lives in the African desert. There's nothing but sand in the desert, but the frog is able to live there because there's a lot of fog there. When threatened, it puffs itself up like a big ball and starts making this really cute sound. The world's cutest frog, the desert rain frog. It was a pleasure to have met you.